ET Now exclusive, and this one had a big impact on the last day too. ET Now reported that the government is considering the possibility of selling its 40% stake in IDBI Bank to state-owned LIC. The market slapped up the news. Let's go across to Ruchi Bhatia, who broke this story. Ruchi, can this once and for all solve IDBI's problems, and why LIC?
The government is looking to fill up its coffers, and again this time around LIC is going to come to their rescue. Now remember, the government has been talking about privatization of IDBI Bank for a very long time, about selling 51% stake, and now we understand that at least there are talks at an advanced stage between LIC and the government as far as the stake sale process in IDBI Bank is concerned. Now we're given to understand that currently LIC holds about 10% stake in IDBI Bank, and they will look to pick up another 40 to 43% stake in IDBI Bank for about 10,500 crore rupees. Since these talks are at an advanced stage, we're given to understand that the board will be meeting and will be deciding on the future strategy as far as whether IDBI Bank should be taken up or not. On the other hand, as far as IDBI Bank is concerned, remember they've just had a change in their top management with Mr. B. Sriram at the helm of affairs, and we're given to understand that in the month of August is when the board of IDBI Bank will be meeting and will be chalking out a strategy with respect to further capital infusion, what to do with their non-core assets, and also for this stake sale. Now there are two objectives that the government is looking to fill with this. Firstly, they're looking to privatize IDBI Bank, which has been their objective for a very long time, but one has to take into account that whether it is a good strategy or not, given the fact that IDBI Bank is not in the pink of health right now. Their NPAs are close to 25%. On the other hand, does LIC have the wherewithal, and what happens to the 15% sectoral cap? Now we understand that some sort of exemption could be given, or the government may look at certain changes in the LIC Act to ensure that this deal can really go through. And as we've been telling our viewers, post that story that ET Now did, the stock also shot up massively in trade. So clearly the government now looking to ensure that a part of IDBI stake sale happens, and the top insurer LIC picks it up.
ET Now exclusively reported how the government may transfer its stake and sell its stake in IDBI Bank.
LIC currently has about 10% stake in IDBI Bank, and we're given to understand another over 40 to 43% stake will be sold for about 10,500 crores.
Privatization by government is much complicated, but any private sales by LIC is much easier.